Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Louder. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Mukham karoti vachalam pangum langayate girim yat kripatamaham bande Shri Gurum Deenatarinam. You know जो मंत्र है ना, बड़ा से पंगुम लंगायते गिरिम. पंगु का मतलब क्या होता है? Someone who is lame, है ना, जिसके पैर खराब हो. पंगुम लंगायते गिरिम. गिरी का मतलब होता है पहाड़. तब कथा तब हम मंदे श्री गुरु दीर्थन. Only because of the mercy of Guru, I can speak the glories of Bhagavad Gita, just like a lame person who can cross the mountain because of the mercy of the Lord. You know? So there might be a lot of faults in me, my speech, and the words that I will use, there might be some fault in there, but because my intention is to glorify the Lord, my intention is to glorify Bhagavad Gita, Krishna will, and the Guru and Krishna will protect me from that thing. You know? And I want to apologize to you guys just in case if I say something which is not going to be palatable. What's happening outside? Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. People are excited. Kids are excited. Okay. So, thank you very much, all of you, for coming on a Friday evening. Suhani is here. Where is Rehan? Yeah. Alright. Hopefully he'll come as well. But at least, you know, Yad Yad Acharati Shrestha. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, when something elders do, you know, higher people do, younger will follow. Yad Yad Acharati Shrestha, Tat Tat Eva Tarajana. So your brother will come. You keep sitting in the class, your brother will come and sit as well. So now pressure is on him. Alright, so what we're going to do is, first of all, we are doing Science of Self-Discovery. Do we have it? You first time? You coming here for first? Who is here new? You first time? What? Second time. We haven't done your introduction as yet, yeah?
First time we did.
Okay. And we did the introduction as well, yours? No. Can we pass on the mic? Where's the other mic? Can we get you to say your name?
Yes.
Where are you from in India? And where do you live here? Okay. Please.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashay. I'm from Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and I live in Hoppers Crossing.
Hoppers Crossing. And where do you work, bro?
I work for Coles,
Coles.
And I'm also a photographer.
Oh wow! So we have so many talents in this group. We have a photographer, we have a writer, we have, like, you know, you name it, everything we have. You know, one-stop shop. Okay. Anybody else that we haven't done introduction is it? Thank you. Welcome, Prabhu. How did you know about this class?
Sneh. He's a family friend, so.
Okay. Well done, Prabhu. Good. So this is called friendship. Friendship means, like lot of the time हम क्या बोलते हैं? Friendship means तू कर मेरे दोस्त, बाकी मैं संभाल लूँगा. Do right or wrong, I'm there with you. That's not friendship. Friendship means I'm there with you always. Yes, I will be there with you always, but I will always tell you what is right and what is wrong. And I will make sure you don't do wrong. I will keep trying till the last time, but I'll stay with you. But we think what happens in dosti? दो भाई ने बोला ना, you know that circuit he used to say, भाई बोला ना, that's it, done, करने का. भाई ने बोला, करने का. So that's not friendship is. So this is right, true friendship. Thank you, Prabhu, for being a good friend. So, normal announcements is obviously we have parking. Make sure nobody has parked on that side. Make sure your cars are on this side. Anybody has parked that side, please let us know. We're gonna do Harinam in the city. Mataji is organizing it, so you will get more comms on that. We will have no Bhakti Vriksha on 7th of February because of this program that's happening. Please make sure you register for it. How many of you have registered for it? Raise your hands. So if you haven't, please register for it. This is in our group. Prabhu, can someone put that in the group again? So that everybody knows they can actually book this in. Because if you don't book it in, you won't be able to get there. And I'm telling you that program you cannot miss it. It is exceptional. I have been following Maharaj for a while now. And the way he speaks is, Prabhu, have you heard of him? Have you heard his classes? Yes. Every day, yeah? Because when you start listening to him, trust me, you don't want to listen to anyone else except for him. Because he's amazing. He connects with everyone. And he's young, and he's a very, UCL, he passed out from UCL, yeah? So he's a very, very amazing guy. Amazing Maharaj. And then we will have lots and lots of programs that's going to happen in February. All of these programs will be available for you to book it in your calendar. There is a Jagannath Rath Yatra. On that day, we will have 2 stalls that Gopi Vrinda Mataji is organizing. So those stalls hongi, jisme all of us, we are actually you can volunteer to work there and we can do some shifts in there. So we are all volunteers there. And on St. Kilda Road, the program happens. More details to come. So please let us know if you want to volunteer. Okay, that's it. Anything else? Yes, you want to say?
प्रभु जी जो ये लोग होस्ट करेंगे ना अपने घर में, तो आप बता दीजिए इनको कि फूड वगैरह जैसे एज इट इज चल रहा है हम लोग अरेंज करेंगे. इनको सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए एक रूम करना है और यहाँ से सारी चीजें लेके जाना है.
You heard it, yeah? Okay, so what's going to happen is, when you guys start hosting, we will continue talking about this in our next time as well. When you're hosting a program, only responsibility you have is to take this microphone and these mats and stuff from here and take it to your house. And plates as well. And keep it there.
And the cutlery.
Yes.
And plates and the cutlery. And what happens is, the next person who is going to host at their house, they will collect from your house. That's how it will work. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So your responsibility, you don't have to cook or anything. You don't have to do anything. We have a group where the people who are in the group, they cook and they organize the cooking and everything. You have to just open your house, take all of these things and organize it. If you have any issues, let us know. Few of us will come early and we'll help you set up. Okay? Any questions on that? Mataji, is there? Yes. Seventh ko, yeah.
He's also coming on the 9th. We are booked for the
Yes. He is doing so many programs, but this is the joint Bhakti Vriksha program on a Friday evening. So that's why we want to go and see him.
Is it at the temple?
No, this is Hoppus Crossing. Hoppus Crossing.
Event center.
Yeah. So please book this. This is not to be missed. Mataji, anything else? All good?
प्रभु माइक.
हाँ.
जिसके घर में मतलब एक कोई हमको ऐसा होस्ट चाहिए जिसका नाम हमको रिमूव करना पड़ेगा हरिनाम कीर्तन के.
हरिनाम के लिए, ठीक है. So हम लोग हरिनाम करेंगे जब उस दिन फ्राइडे को ही करेंगे, तो whoever has booked on that date, we will promise that we will take you out from there. We'll give you another spot whenever, है ना? So we might have to, लेकिन हमें पता नहीं है कौन सा डे हम लोग हरिनाम पे जाएंगे. So we are not deciding right now. But आप लोगों को 1-2 हफ्ते पहले बता दिया है. Is that okay? 2 हफ्ते पहले बता देंगे. If on the day when you are hosting, we are going to Harinam, then we won't host it at your house. We'll do the Harinam and then we'll move your hosting some other day. That we have to do because we don't know हम लोग कब जा पाएंगे. We are waiting for a few more people to come, Puja Mataji to come from India before we can, so we want her to be involved in it. And obviously, what happened to Rian and Suhan? Suhan is gone. Okay, Suhan is there. So Suhan will come. Suhan, Rian, all of these kids, they will come. So we will have all the kids with us. My son will come as well. So my wife will not come. If she comes, she's gonna be walking on the other side of the street. She told me this. She goes, "I'll come, but I'll probably walk on the other side." So, but she will take videos. We will get her to do. She can be a photographer for us. Okay, so let's start. So we're gonna start. So the chapter is called "Why Do Bad Things Happen to Good People?" And we've discussed material and spiritual worlds. We discussed it last time. We're going to keep discussing it today as well. What is the spiritual world? What is material world? And before that, we'll watch a quick video.
Removed by the uploader.
YouTube से हटा दिया.
YouTube से
अपलोडर नहीं है. YouTube से
कॉपीराइट इन्फ्रिंजमेंट.
It was a video from a movie, but it was amazing. Let me see if it's still there. I'm going to play on here. How is it possible that they moved it? कल ही तो मैंने इसको डाउनलोड करा. Yes, it's been taken out. I'm so sorry, guys. It was such a good video.
अच्छी चीजें हुई तो बढ़ रहा है. अच्छी चीजें डाल दी गई हैं.
I don't know why would someone take this amazing clip out. Anyway, it was such an amazing clip. But I should have one more that I've saved for next class. So I'll play for. If I find that. No. Now that is not good for this class. Alright, let's keep going actually. What material world? So, we have discussed spiritual world. कितनी तरह के spiritual world होते हैं? ये what are they? ब्रह्म ज्योति, वैकुंठा, गोलोक वृंदावन. 3 तरह के होते हैं. Now we're going to talk about material worlds. Now what happens is beyond, जैसे suppose ये पूरा का पूरा this whole area where we can see this is spiritual world. So for example, है ना? If that is spiritual world, that little pot that is over here, that is material world. इतना छोटा सा material world है ना? And ये जो material world है, this is not just one world. There are trillions and quadrillions of universes there. उन सबको मिला के इतना सा होता है वो, है ना? And the rest is spiritual world. So actually material world is nothing but a small little, very small tiny space in the corner of a spiritual world. अब वो material world कैसा होता है? उस material world में बहुत सारे universes हैं. And उसमें से जो एक universe है, every universe is different, but this universe where we are in, this is how it looks like. So this is one of the universe. Now this universe has 14 planetary systems. How many? 14 planetary systems. हम लोग को कितने पता है planets? 8. We are not talking about those planets. We are talking about, जैसे वो जो 8 planet है, they are part of the only solar system. But there are trillions of planets. हम लोग वो नहीं बात कर रहे हैं. ये जो सारी की सारी जो universe, the universe that we see मिल्की वे, हम लोग वो सब देखते हैं. व्हाट इज इट? एक लेयर है भूलोक की. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. कैन यू सी डिस्क? So all this one thing that we can see, it's only a disk, one disk we can see, which is Bhulok, which is Earth planet. This Earth planet is not just Earth. That's not the only thing. It comprises of many more planets. Earthly planetary system it's called. It's called Bhulok. Above Bhulok there is Bhuvarlok, है ना? तो in Bhuvarlok, which is above Earth, it is वहां पर कौन रहता है? Rakshasa and ghosts. They live there. Because they are a little bit more powerful than us. हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना. हम लोग तो we can't even close our eyes. बीबी डांट रही होती तो कान भी नहीं बंद कर पाते, है ना? But ghost can do a lot of other stuff. They can disappear, they can appear, they have lot of different mystic powers. उसके ऊपर होता है सो भूलोक, भुवरलोक, फिर उसके बाद होता है स्वर्गलोक, है ना? स्वर्गलोक के बाद महरलोक, जनलोक, तपलोक एंड सत्यलोक. जो सबसे ऊपर वाला प्लैनेट होता है इट्स कॉल्ड सत्यलोक, विच इज वेयर ब्रह्मा लिव्स. दैट्स ब्रह्मलोक और सत्यलोक. सो इन ऑर्डर फॉर अस टू गो बैक टू स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड देयर इज ओनली टू वेज. वन इज फ्रॉम दिस अर्थ, अनदर इज फ्रॉम ब्रह्मलोक. जो लोग ब्रह्मलोक में होते हैं they have an option to go back from there to spiritual world. For example, तपलोक है. तपलोक है सेकंड, ऊपर से सेकंड तपलोक है ना. तपलोक उसमें से nobody can go to, जबकि वहां पर सारे तपस्वी हैं, they are doing तपस्यास, but they cannot go to spiritual world from there. Either they have to elevate themselves to go to Brahmalok, then go spiritual world, or they have to come to earth. And that's why Earth is called one of the most amazing planet, because, and especially Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga is called the most amazing Yuga because in Kali Yuga, बाकी सारे युग में it's very hard to get out of this material world. Very hard. Like you have to do thousands of years of तपस्या. उसके बाद भी भगवान आके कहते हैं अच्छा ठीक है, I'll give you 1 star there, 1 star there. But Kali Yuga में we just by chanting the holy name Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. By chanting the holy name you can go back home, back to Godhead from spiritual world. This is why a lot of these people like जो जनलोक, तपलोक, महरलोक में लोग हैं, they pray to the Lord that please send us to earth and please send us in Kali Yuga so that we can use this holy name and go back home, back to Godhead. ठीक है. सो ये हो गए अब हायर प्लैनेट्स. उसके बाद हम लोग इसमें मिडिल प्लैनेट में विच इज कॉल्ड भूलोक, है ना, भूरलोक. उसके नीचे होता है अतल, वितल, सुतल, तलातल, महातल, रसातल एंड पाताल. और उसके नीचे होता है नर्क, हेलिश प्लैनेट. ठीक है. नाउ अब आपको लग रहा होगा कि हम लोग बीच में हैं तो हम बहुत हमसे जो ऊपर वाले प्लैनेट्स में दे आर हायर देन अस, हायर entities, they have more powerful than us. That means जो हमसे नीचे हैं उसमें हमसे कम पावर होगी. That's wrong. They are actually even more opulent. ये जो है ना अतल, वितल, सुतल, तलातल, महातल, रसातल and पाताल, they are very very rich, like very very opulent places. जो यहाँ पर लोग रहते हैं उनके पास हम लोगों से मिलियंस एंड ट्रिलियंस में ज्यादा पावर है. The least power जिसमें है वो है भूलोक, this earthly planets. ठीक है. Now आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे what's the point? We were talking about what we were talking about? Why bad thing happen to good people? What does that got to do with this? है ना? Lot of things. We will do it. We'll do a quick summary. क्योंकि ये जो अभी मैंने पढ़ाया है अभी तक class in this class. This is the first section. Let's do the summary of that section. The material world of earth, water, fire, air and ether, mind, intelligence and false ego. ये हमने देखा था 5 + 2 है ना, 5 + 3 mind, intelligence, ego, 5 + 3. ठीक है, very good. And that reflects contrast of the eternal conscious. हमने ये देखा था सच्चित आनंद होता है, ऐसा हमने देखा था. फिर हमने देखा spiritual world consists of Brahma Jyoti, and we know Brahma Jyoti is the light of the effulgence of the Lord. भगवान के शरीर से जो effulgence निकल रही है उसको कहते हैं ब्रह्म ज्योति, है ना. और फिर हमने देखा गोलोका और वैकुंठा, है ना, ये देख लिया था हम लोगों ने. फिर the material world is divided into 7 higher and 7 lower planet. each with millions of planets. जो हर एक डिस्क जो है इसमें पीछे वाले इसमें every disk has millions of planets. जैसे अभी हमारे पास millions of चीजें दिखती है ना आपको अंतरिक्ष में, they are all part of this planetary system, भूरलोक. उसके बाद Lord Brahma occupies the highest planetary system Satyaloka, demigods live in Swargaloka, and we are in Bhuloka. Any questions on that? And the demonic people are actually lower planets, but demonic people, they are still much more powerful than us. Okay? Now the next part that we're going to talk about will be the most important part, spiritual soul. अब आप लोगों को लगता होगा कि ये what happened, spiritual soul in material world. हम लोग spiritual है, we know that, है ना. हम लोगों ने chapter पढ़ा था who am I, we realize we are spirit soul, है ना. आप लोग प्लीज थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ, come closer because there people are coming. Come over here. So the first question is why do spiritual souls come into material world? जब हम लोग भगवान के पास थे, why did we come here? है ना. Question है, how many of you had this question? Raise your hands. Actually, how many of you have right now this question? हम लोग आए क्यों? हम लोग spiritual हैं. Why did you come here? How many of you had this question? Okay. How many of you have this question? Do we again? एक बार हम चले गए, जैसे अभी भी हम spiritual world से ही आए हैं, इसका मतलब वापस जाके भी तो आ सकते हैं. क्या मतलब कुछ तो इंश्योरेंस तो होना चाहिए ना. ऐसा नहीं कि यार इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, रोज चैंटिंग कर रहे हैं, फ्राइडे की क्लास में भी आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, अनियन गार्लिक भी कम कर दिया है. कुछ तो मिले यार. ऐसा नहीं कि वापस जाए, वापस भगवान बोले अरे नहीं यार एक नंबर से रह गए तुम जाओ. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना. So that's a question. Third question, how does God interact with the souls who leave him? कई बार हमें लगता है कि as soon as we left him, कृष्ण बोले hey, तू मेरे को छोड़ गया ना, तेरे को बताता हूँ अभी, दर दर की ठोकरें खाएगा तू. He is not like that. Imagine हमारे बच्चा अगर हमसे गुस्सा होके जा रहा है, हम लोग ये नहीं बोलते hey, अभी मैं तेरे को ना ऐसी हालत करवाता हूँ तेरी कि तू दर दर की ठोकरें. We never say that to our kids because no matter who they are, what they are doing, they are our kids. And शास्त्रों में बताया गया है कृष्णा loves us more than countless number of mothers. एक मदर का प्यार, एक माँ का प्यार, सारी की सारी जो मेल पॉपुलेशन है ना, उनका प्यार मिला लो, उसको माँ के प्यार से एक बूंद के बराबर भी नहीं है. वैसी माँ मिलियंस ट्रिलियंस ऑफ माँओं को मिला दो, उससे भी ज्यादा भगवान का प्यार है हम लोगों के लिए, छोटा सा, है ना. वो सारा प्यार भगवान के लिए एक बूंद है. So that's not the case. Then why does God create this temporary and miserable world? हमें पता है ये क्या है, दुखालय अशाश्वतम. What does happen? We have these questions. Is the spiritual journey full of pain and suffering? कोई बोलता है ना कि यार तुम इस्कॉन वाले हो ना, तुम एकदम डिप्रेसिंग लोग हो यार. जब देखो जब यार दुखालय अशाश्वतम, ये this is not a place to enjoy. करना क्या चाहते हो तुम लोग भैया? कहना क्या चाहते हो? बताओ तो सही. So now we're going to talk about these questions one by one. These are frequently asked questions. The first question, why do spiritual souls come into material world? So now what happens is, हुआ क्या कि हम लोग spiritual world में भगवान की सेवा कर रहे थे and we were in bliss. We were all in bliss, complete bliss. लेकिन suddenly हमें ऐसे लगा यार ये भगवान है, we are praying to him, we are loving him, everybody is loving one person. And everybody is loving one person. यार इसको कैसा लग रहा होगा? How would he be feeling? तो हमारे दिमाग में आया, I want to feel what he is feeling. The problem is there is only one God, है ना. So भगवान ने बोला देखो, I can't make you feel what I feel. हमने कहा नहीं, हमें देखना है, हमें जानना है. तो जैसे मेरा बेटा अगर मुझे बोलता है कि मुझे कार चलानी है, he's only 7 years old. You can't drive car. No, Papa, I want to drive it. I want to drive it. तो कहाँ ले जाओ उसको? कौन से यहाँ पर? What was the place where we take him?
Luna Park.
Luna Park. I take him to Luna Park and he can just do this go-karting thing. है ना? वो Dodgem cars होते हैं ना? Dodgem cars. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Dodgem cars?
Yeah, Dodgem cars.
Dodgem cars है ना? So he will drive the Dodgem car and he will feel like he's driving the real car. But is it a real car? It's not a real car. It's a toy car. So what I did is, just to satisfy him, just to make him feel that अब Dodgem car में you are actually really, You don't have any rules or anything like that. So you're not driving a real car, but you have an illusion of driving a car. Then he comes back and say, Papa, I drove a car. है ना? And then obviously if you leave him there, थोड़े टाइम बाद वो खुद ही आ जाता है कि अब हो गया मेरा, है ना? So Krishna, what Krishna did is Krishna realized that we can't be him. We can't be God. So what he did, he said, okay, the only way you can have a real little idea of what I feel is because I'm Swami. What is meaning of Swami is I'm the Lord. ठीक है, मैं Swami हूँ. So now what I want you to do is, if you really want to, the only way you can do it is you have to believe, imagine that you are Lord, and that's what we do. As soon as we get married, it's my wife, I am the Lord. It's my son, I am the Lord. You have to do what I say. How do we do that? Not always because we want to train them. Most of the time it's our ego. How can you talk back at me? When you say, we all have said this to ourselves, kids, hey, how can you talk to me like that? What are we doing? हमारी ego hurt हो गई है. वो तो छोड़ो. We think I am the Lord of my friends as well. जब मैं friends group में बैठा हूँ तो everybody should look at me, because I want to feel like God. I want to be center of the, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, center of attraction. ठीक है, क्या बोलते हैं, पार्टी की जान हो भाई, आप लोग बात कर रहे हैं. तो that feeling that मैं पार्टी की जान हूँ, what is that? That is called lordship. सास सोचती है मेरी बहू आई है बिकॉज मेरा बेटा मेरा दास है, मेरी बहू भी मेरी दासी होनी चाहिए. और बहू आती है, वो कहती है आई एम कमिंग हियर, आई लेफ्ट माई फैमिली, ठीक है, आई एम हैप्पी टू बी दासी ऑफ दिस माई हस्बैंड, बट आई कांट बी दासी ऑफ माई सास. आई एम ओनली दासी ऑफ माई मदर. ठीक है, व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज अगेंस्ट स्वामित्व. We want to control. सास wants to control the बहू wants to control सास. So अब क्या होता है, सास को लगता है मेरा जो बेटा है इतने दिनों से पाल पोस के बड़ा करा है, now he is taking his wife's side, है ना? जुम्मा 4 दिन हुए शादी को, अपनी बीवी की साइड ले रहा है. एंड बीवी सोचती है यार ये इतने साल माँ के साथ रहा है, मैं सब कुछ छोड़ के आई हूँ, वो मेरी साइड क्यों नहीं ले रहा, है ना? Both of them, they have a problem. There is हमारे शास्त्रों में this problem is called aham mameti. बोलो aham mameti. Aham means me and mameti means मेरा, मैं और मेरा, मेरी वाइफ, मेरा बेटा, मेरी कार, मेरा घर, मेरा रुतबा, मेरी पोजीशन, ठीक है, मेरा रूप, मेरा रंग, मेरी चाल, मेरी everything is me and mine. Our whole world revolves on 2 things, me and mine. Now whoever challenges me is my enemy. Whoever challenges mine is my enemy. Now भगवान ने बोला the only problem with this is the only person who can handle this स्वामित्व is God, Krishna. No one else can handle it. भगवान को पता था, इसलिए भगवान ने हमें इल्यूजन में बताया, भैया दिस इज गो एंड लिव इन दिस इल्यूजन कॉल्ड मी एंड माई. तो अब अगर हम लोगों को पता होता कि मेरी पोजीशन दास की है, इफ आई नो दैट माई पोजीशन इज सर्वेंट, देन आई विल नॉट गो एंड टेल माई वाइफ hey, जो मैं बोलता हूं वो कर, क्योंकि मेरी पोजीशन क्या है, दास. The only reason I can say this to her is because there is a I forget my true identity of a servant. Then we start, if I'm not a servant, who am I? I'm a master. And because I want to be master of everything, when we go to work, I want to be master of this, I want to be master of this, I want to be master of this. Everybody should do what I say. And because of that, we identify ourselves with this material body. You know, I told you this real story. This guy, he parked his Mercedes in front of the shopping center. Parking में वो अंदर गया. He came out after some time. उसने देखा किसी ने उसकी Mercedes को ठोक दिया है. पूरी आगे से crashed है. He nearly had a heart attack and he fell down on the floor and they realized कि उसकी गाड़ी ये वाली नहीं, बाजू वाली है. Same गाड़ी खड़ी थी. Then he got up. He said, "No, मेरी गाड़ी नहीं है." And he went to his car and he left. because he was identifying by his car. The more you identify with this body, more you will get hurt if something happens to this body. तभी भगवत गीता में लिखा है कि this body is not you. You are not this body. Now ये जो concept है हम लोगों ने, आप लोगों में से कौन ऐसा है जिसने ये concept नहीं सुना है? I am not this body. Raise your hand. Okay. Okay, I am not this body. Okay. If I am not this body, who am I?
Soul.
I am soul. I am not this body. I am the soul inside. So what happens is when this body diminishes, disappears, what happens? I go to a new body, like clothes. When I go home, I'll change these clothes. I am not these clothes. Every time I go home, I change my clothes. So I can't identify with these clothes. But अगर मैंने ये Hugo Boss से लिया है, then दाग लगते ही और ये क्या हो गया? सब्जी गिर गई, है ना? हल्दी का दाग तो जाएगा भी नहीं, लगता है? Because we are identifying with the clothes. Same thing. If we identify with this body, then anything happens to the body, we become so morose. So what भगवान ने क्या बोला? अच्छा, you want to go and, जैसे मैं अपने बेटे को बोला, you want to drive a car, मैंने उसको illusion में डाला, उसको बोला बेटा जैसे कार चलती ना वैसे ही मैं चलाता हूँ गाड़ी, same. तो मजे कर रहा है. He thinks that he is driving, but he is not driving. Similarly, when we come here, we are a spirit soul. We rebelled against God. है ना? We want to enjoy separately from Krishna. Krishna has created this Luna Park, lunatic park, whatever you want to call it. है ना? So in this Luna Park, we want to be like God. So God, and फिर कोई बोलेगा कि why does, तो भगवान ऐसे क्यों नहीं करा कि भैया, if suppose I forgot who I am, why God doesn't tell me? Why God doesn't come and tell me? और फिर मैं बोलूँगा God is telling me, but मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So why? Because God is God. He can do anything. He can change my mind. You know. What was the name? Abracadabra, gili. Done. Now you love me. कर सकते थे God. Because he is God. He can do anything, ना? कामदेव सुना आप लोगों ने? कामदेव. When Kamdev hits, nobody can resist. है ना? Kamdev is कंदर्प कोटि कमनीय विशेष शोभम, है ना? ब्रह्म संहिता में है कंदर्प कोटि कमनीय, जैसे करोड़ों अरबों कामदेव को मिला के भी भगवान की जो ब्यूटी है वो डिफाइन नहीं करी जा सकती. दिस इज व्हाट हाउ ब्यूटीफुल कृष्णा इज. तो कृष्णा हम लोगों को वो क्यों नहीं कर देता है, मोहित क्यों नहीं कर सकता है? Hey, now you are my भक्ता, and then we start doing हरे कृष्णा क्यों नहीं कर सकता वो? Anyone tell me? Why? Why doesn't God do it? He can do it. He can touch our head and say, hey, wake up. You are my das. And we say, oh, okay. Why doesn't he do it?
Because we all have free will.
Yes. He doesn't want to interfere. And why doesn't he want to interfere? That's a good question. Yes, this is right. But why doesn't he want to interfere?
That goes back to the first point that we wanted to do it by him.
Yes. The thing is, what happens is, for example, दिख रहा है आपको? If Krishna goes, okay, what I'll do is, I'm gonna hypnotize all of you, and you're gonna come and love me. Is that true love? It's hypnotic. So अगर मैं मेरे बेटे को बोलता, hey, come and give me a hug, वो कहता नहीं आऊंगा, एक थप्पड़ लगाया, वो ऐसे रोते रोते मेरे को हग दे रहा है. How would I feel? I might have won a battle, but I lost a war, है ना? Because he will not love me ever again. Because what I'm doing, I'm forcing him. We don't want to force him. We want him. But imagine he comes, say, Papa, I missed you, and he give you a hug. सारे दिन की थकान दूर हो जाती. Now Krishna wants us to do the same thing. So how do we know that? Now intelligent people, what they do is they eat junk food and they know it's harmful because they are misusing the free will, and that's why they left the spiritual world. है ना? And फिर क्या होता है? If we are stubborn, we want to rebel, then only experience is the best teacher. 3 तरह के लोग होते हैं. पहला होता है, you tell them, you know, what they do is they look at someone else. Oh, wrong side पे गाड़ी चला रहा था, फाइन हो गया, है ना? दूसरा बंदा कहता है उसको फाइन हुआ है, जरूरी थोड़ी मेरे को भी होगा, मैं भी ट्राई करूंगा. then वो गलत साइड पे गाड़ी चलाता है and he gets fined. And the third kind of people who say, fine ही तो है, I've got more money, or I'm gonna give this fine to someone else. I keep doing the same thing, you know. And there is last person who actually don't even look at someone actually tells him, तेरे को पता है गलत साइड पे गाड़ी चलाने से फाइन होता है? ठीक है, होता है. I won't do it. I will never do it. They are intelligent people. So there are some stubborn people. They can only learn by experience. So that's why Krishna actually, what he does is he actually let us go. Imagine we had there is a Bhakti Vraksha, there is a couple who run Bhakti Vraksha as well. उनके बच्चे ने उनको बोला, he is in grade 12 के बाद, he said, Mama, I want to live on my own. है ना? तो उसकी पेरेंट्स ने बोला, नहीं बेटा क्यों? बोला, I want to be independent. And parents ने बोला, यार अभी you can be independent, just finish your university and you can be independent. No, I want to be independent now. Now imagine the dilemma of the parents. He's only like what, 17, 18, है ना? And he wants to live on his own. So अगर parents बोलते हैं दो झापड़ पड़ेंगे घर में बैठा रहे, what do you think he will do? A 17, 18-year-old?
He will rebel more.
He will rebel more. So what they did is they actually said, okay, you want to go live somewhere else? Okay. So what we will do is they organized a place, थोड़ा ज़्यादा दूर नहीं, घर से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं. They got someone जिसको वो जानते थे, उनके घर में एक कमरा लिया. They put him there, organized his meals, paid his rent, everything. They organized ki bed, they got him bed, everything. Why did they do it? Because of the free will of their son. And then now he lived there for 2 years, a year and a half. He said, you know, now I know I miss my mom. Same with I remember Sohan was coming with me in the car. He said, now I realize how much I miss my family after being in Ballarat. So this is what happens. So we are here. Krishna has organized all of this not to punish us. He is doing the same thing that mother has done. And look, what I'll do is, you really want to go? You really want to think you want to be God? Okay, I'll organize this planet. You know, this is called material world, these planets. Go and live there. I will provide everything. I will provide you food, shelter, whatever it is. And I will give you gurus. I will give you shastras. I will give you Veds. Vedeshe sarve aham eva vedyo. Vedanta krit vedvit evacha aham. भगवान कहते हैं भगवद गीता में, Vedeshe sarve, सारे वेदों का जो essence है, all the essence of the Veda is me. The only knowledge that Veda teaches is how to get to me. Krishna is saying that. And now this is why we need to take responsibility. And hota kya hai? You know, the best, easiest thing to get out of any trouble is you point fingers. Mera promotion nahi hua, you know why? Because my boss is an idiot. और जो मेरा जो कलीग जिसका प्रमोशन हुआ वो चापलूस है ना? And I didn't get promoted because, you know, my wife gives me stress, you know. और मेरे, you know, just because I'm Indian, they're racist. कुछ भी, like anything. What we do is we start pointing fingers. किसकी गलती है? मेरी तो नहीं है यार. I am definitely ready to get promoted. सारी दुनिया ही मेरे पीछे पड़ी है. We've heard this, ना? We've done it. I've done it. So I haven't heard it. Personal experience बता रहा हूँ मैं. So what is that? What is that is we start pointing fingers, and when we point fingers, that means we are not taking responsibility. If something bad is happening to me, the only person that is responsible is me. It may be coming from other people, but who is responsible? Me. We'll talk about that. So now second question is, do we again fall down after reaching spiritual world? So Lord Krishna says this in Bhagavad Gita 15.6. Can you repeat after me? Na tad bhasete suryo, na shashanko na pavakaha, yad gatva na nivartante, tad dhama paramam mama. Anybody who's got the mic? Do you want to read the translation?
That supreme abode of mine is not illumined by the sun or moon, nor by fire or electricity. Those who reach it never return to this material world.
यद गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते, यद गत्वा वहां जाके न निवर्तन्ते, कभी वापस नहीं आते हैं. तद धाम परमम, वो मेरा जो धाम है वो परम है. And who is saying that? Krishna is saying that. So we can take na his word, we can take because he owns it. He owns that place. So he is saying. So answer क्या है उसका? Would we, अगर हम वापस जाएंगे तो वापस गिरेंगे क्या? नहीं. We won't. दो रीजन है उसके. दूध का जला छाछ को भी फूंक फूंक के पीता है. तो हम लोग इतने दूध के जले हो जाएंगे ना, because we have been in this material world for millions of lifetimes. Now when we go back to spiritual world, we will have all this memory. We will remember यार कहाँ कैसे कैसे लोगों के साथ पाला पड़ा था यार, कहाँ I have done class 1 16,000 times and 2 crore time I failed IAS exam, है ना, and 3 million times I failed this exam, 4 million times I got bashed up. They will all remember that. उसके बाद एक बार भगवान के पास हो जाएंगे, then यत् कत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम. Next question. So हाँ, इसकी एक स्टोरी है. This story is from Bible, है ना. बाइबल में क्या होता है? There was this person, एक बेटा होता है, वो he wanted to live alone, है ना. तो अपने पापा को बोलता है, when he became 18, he said to his father कि मेरे को I want to go, I want to leave you, give me my share of your property, because we are 2 brothers, give me the share of my property, I'm gonna leave. उसके फादर बोलते हैं प्लीज डोंट गो, लिव हियर. नो आई वांट टू गो. सो फादर गिव्स हिम मनी, लॉट्स ऑफ मनी. ही गोज, गेट्स इनटू रॉन्ग एसोसिएशन एंड फिर बहुत बुरी हालत हो जाती है उसकी. ही बिकम्स गॉट इनटू रियली बैड एसोसिएशन. उसका सारा पैसा खत्म हो जाता है. ही हैड नो फूड टू ईट. सो ही वाज नॉट इन द सेम टाउन, ही वेंट टू अनदर टाउन. ही लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग. ही हैड नो फूड टू ईट. सो दिस गाय गेव हिम अ जॉब ऑफ फीडिंग द पिग्स को खाना खिलाने के लिए. एंड देन he, after the whole day, he will give him small amount of this much of bread to eat, and he would be so hungry that after that every day he will eat the same food that he's feeding the pigs. Secretly वो उसको खाता था, pigs को जो खाना खिलाते हैं वो, because he was so hungry. Then he realized, yeah, when I was with my father, we had lots of pigs. I used to feed these pigs. Now I'm eating there. Why am I doing this? My father is a rich man. I have to go back. Then he goes back. His father finds out that his son is coming. His father comes running out of the. उसका जो दूसरा बेटा था, जो बहुत ही अच्छा था, he was there. He told his son, "Hey, make the best feast. My son is coming. The lost son is coming." He comes and runs halfway through, gives him a hug, bring him back. उसको पूरे ऊपर से नीचे तक उससे नहलाया जाता है, like you know, हल्दी के पानी से and everything, and then give him lots of good clothes, perfumes, and give him mass. सारे गांव को बुला के फीस देता है. Now this story is a parable in Bible. It actually says this is how God looks at us. We are all been away from God because of our free will, and we are struggling from not this lifetime, millions of lifetime. But guess what? Our Father Krishna is waiting for us more than this father was waiting for his son. And he is waiting for all of us, not just one, है ना. ऐसा नहीं है कि स्नेह प्रभु आ रहे हैं, चलो ठीक है, अच्छा ठीक है, लकी आ रहा है, रुको तो आप उसको बिठाओ, आता हूँ मैं. Not like that. Every single person is exactly the same. Even this plant, when he dies, come back as human, obviously, because he is hearing all this kirtan. After that, when he goes away, exactly the same treatment he will get the way we get treatment, because same Jiv Tattva. He is the same. We have been in the yonis of these plants already. So, there is another thing that we want to talk about is that there is an exploitation. What is the difference between when you exploit something and when there is a thing called exploitation, there is a thing called service. There is a thing called lust, there is a thing called love. What is the difference? Anybody? What is the difference between exploitation and service? How does this? We all know, but I want you guys to give. What do you think about it? Give me a couple of lines. Anybody? Yes, Prabhu. Mic, please. We can have the mic. Prabhu, mic is over there. Exploitation and service.
I think with the exploitation, somebody is taking that service out of you forcibly.
Yes.
Knowingly, unknowingly.
Uh-huh.
And whereas service is that you want to do that activity.
Voluntary. What if I volunteer to serve a narcotic person, like who is making drugs? I say, I'll help you make this drug. Is that a service? It's
good question.
Yeah. Is it a service? Because he is volunteer. Anybody. Is that a service? Yes.
If it's voluntarily done, it is a service. But service of something bad.
Yes, it is
service.
It is service, but it is actually in the section of disservice. Not for them, but everyone else. You know? And then what is lust and love? What is the difference? Anybody wants to talk about what is the difference between lust and love?
I think love is unconditional.
Mother, can I have mic over there? Because that's
I think love is unconditional.
yes, and lust, it has a condition. What is the condition of lust?
And lust is also temporary.
Yes, that's correct. So there is two things happening. One is because love is permanent, lust is temporary. Love can be temporary as well. Can love be temporary?
Yeah, yes.
Why? How? How? I don't know how I'm going to erase this in the video. That's okay. No, that's good. So tell me, why is...
ललित मेरे को इस फेड ब्लैक सबको हम से पूछे आप ही मतलब
That's incredible.
Love be temporary?
Sorry?
Going after a question. Could it be temporary?
Could love be temporary?
Matlab, unless we don't have a choice and somebody passes away. But
love is love.
Love is love.
Love is unconditional. We know that. Is love permanent? Can we fall out of love?
अगर जैसे आपके बच्चे हैं,
हाँ?
आप उनको अनकंडीशनली लव करते हो, चाहे वो अच्छे हैं चाहे वो गंदे हैं, राइट? मतलब बट लेकिन
Can you fall out of love? Simple question.
Only when you become
Hey, Mike over here.
yes.
Can we fall out of love?
I think it's a very interesting discussion we are having, right? So, if you ask me, yes, it will always be there if I love somebody, especially when it comes to kids, your moms, your dads, your best friends and stuff. But this takes me back to one of the stories you mentioned in one of the classes, wherein I think it was Lord Narad who वो जाके बोलते मेरे बच्चे को लाओ and वो आते हैं तो वो बोलते हैं मेरा बेटा आ गया बोलता है तुम कौन हो the kid came up उनको जिंदा किया गया वो बोलते तुम कौन हो तो बोलता मैं तुम्हारी माँ हूँ या I don't remember what was the sex of that person मम्मी थी या पापा थे तो बोलते आप कौन हो तो मैं तुम्हारी माँ हूँ बोलता I don't remember you.
कौन सी वाली माँ? She said, I had millions of mothers, millions of fathers. Which ones are you? Which mother are you?
So when we talk about that, kab tak, I think it has to be defined. That way. So
can we fall out of love?
Yes.
Yeah, after death, break automatically fall.
Huh? Okay, how many of you think we can fall out of love? Raise your hands. Okay, how many of you think we cannot fall out of love? Okay. Wow, 50-50. We cannot fall out of love. The thing is, when I say, can you fall out of love? What does that mean? That means you loved someone before, now you don't love them.
Yeah.
And if you don't love them now, there is always a reason. If there is a reason for you not loving someone, that means that was conditional. So if you are in love, you will not fall out of love. There is nothing called falling out of love. It's always falling out of lust. Lust means I loved someone, but I loved that person because that person was genuinely very nice. He had good habits. Now he's a gambler. He's this and that. Now I don't love that person. So what I was in love with is that person's qualities. I was not in love with that person. I was in love with that characteristics of that person. The day those characteristics disappear, love disappears. My wife goes to me, "You have changed." How many of your wives told you, "You have changed"? Yeah? And I tell her, we were meant to change. That's called growth. You wanted me to be like that 25-year-old who had no idea how to live life. I can go back that way if you want. But you wouldn't like it, would you? We are all supposed to change. That's called growth. So the love, difference between lust and love is eternal. Lust is in this material world. If I tell my wife that I love her, I'm so sorry to say, but that's actually not love. The only love that is permanent is not with my wife or my son. Even kids love. I'm so sorry to say, because we all had millions of kids in the previous lifetimes. Do we love that per kids still? No, we don't even know that existed. The only love is real is the love that we have for the Lord. Everything else is only lust. In Shastras, lust is defined as anything, any feeling other than God is called lust. Anything which is nothing to do with God is called lust. So greed and gratitude, when you are grateful, you are less. आपको पता है, greed and gratitude does not go together. If you are greedy, you will be always. Greedy means I want more, I want more, I want more. That means you are not grateful. Grateful is, oh, I'm so grateful I have this. And so they don't go. Arrogance and humility, don't go together. I've got a friend who said, Brijesh, I am so humble. I'm humbler than everyone else that I know. Look at the irony. I am humbler than everyone else that I know. That means that's not humility. That itself is arrogance. Some people will say, I am the most humble, I am the most fallen soul. Srila Prabhupada ko kisi ne bola, Prabhupada, I am the most fallen soul. Srila Prabhupada said, you're most nothing. When you say I'm most fallen, even that is pride. So humility and arrogance, they don't go together. There is another story. This is the same in Bible. There is a parable. एक shepherd था, उसकी एक भेड़ खो जाती है. And then he had 100 sheep. And एक खो जाती है. Then उसके सारी family वाले कहते हैं, वो कहता है मेरे को मिल नहीं रही है. Family कहती है अभी मत जाओ. It's dark and it's cold outside. If you go to the mountain again, you might fall, hurt yourself. Don't go. Let the sheep be. But he says no. I have to get. So he gets laltin उठाता है, कंबल उठाता है, and he goes. And he finds the sheep in the mountain, brings it back. उसको कंबल उड़ा के वापस आके, then he becomes very happy. This is what Krishna does. Krishna, हमको क्या लगता है, कृष्णा वहां बैठा है, बोले अच्छा ऐसे करके कृष्णा बैठा है, अच्छा जा देखता हूं तो क्या करता है. और वहां पर जाके उसकी हालत खराब है, कृष्णा बोला हाँ देखा, बोला ना तेरे को. That's not what Krishna does. Krishna is like this shepherd who goes, you know what? My kid is in trouble. I'm going to send him this Bhakti Vraksha. I'm going to send him Bobby Prabhu, get this person in the class. Sneh Prabhu, get this person in the class. He sends all of these things. He sends Guru, he sends Prabhupada. And he says, I want to make sure everybody has access to me. And until that person is there, Krishna is still waiting at the door. कई बार हमें लगता है ना कि sometimes we get really happy, सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है. Krishna never sits like that. Krishna is always thinking about when is this person gonna come back to me? When is this person is gonna come back to me? And that's what his anxiety is. So God has immense compassion for us. He takes care of us, embraces us, gives us shelter, because in unlimited incarnation he comes. फिर उसके बाद अपने यदा यदा ही धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत है ना, अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजामि अहम, भगवान आते हैं खुद. And then he sends his guru, his disciples and stuffs to go and bring us back. भगवान ने भगवत गीता छोड़ के गए हमारे लिए, So that's a manual for us. फिर कोई बोलता है कि why does he create it? Why did he create the whole temporary and miserable material world? Somebody was asking me, ISKCON वाले तुम लोग ना बहुत ही मरोस लोग हो, पूरे दिन यही बातें करते रहते हो, enjoy नहीं करना, व्रत रखना, जो मजा आता वो नहीं करना, प्याज लहसुन नहीं खाना. Who are you man? तुम करते क्या मतलब क्या है तुम्हारी लाइफ का, है ना? It's true. यार कोई enjoyment ही नहीं है तुम्हारी लाइफ में. वो दारू नहीं पीता, सिगरेट नहीं पीता, अरे बाप रे, मीट भी नहीं खाते, ओ तो जिंदा की वो भाई. Lot of people think like that. So why does he create this temporary and miserable material world? We have buildings, colleges, playground, stadium, park. At the same time we have hospitals. और एक और चीज है, इन सारी लिस्ट में से एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, वो मिसिंग है. कोई बता सकता है? It's a very very tough question. This one, huh? Temple. No, temple नहीं. Something which is not very good. People don't look forward to it.
Cemeteries. Crematoriums.
Something happened to the mic. बेटा उसका नहीं चार्ज नहीं है वो.
I think
उसके रिसीवर को ना चार्जिंग पे लगाना पड़ेगा बेटा. मेरे पास ये है, आप ये लगा दो उसमें, उसका तार उधर ही होगा. So what is missing? What do you think is missing? Cemetery, Nana. Just keep going. Huh? School is a horrible place. Okay, I agree.
Oh, sorry, I didn't catch. I thought you were saying what is missing out of this.
Yeah, which is a horrible place. Not a very good place. We don't want to go there. Jail, exactly right. So the only thing that was missing there was jail. So आपको पता है what is the reason why we have jail? Why do we need jail?
For reforming, punish.
Huh? Punish?
To reform.
Reform? How many of you think it's for punishment? How many of you think it's for reformation?
Both.
Depends on your crime.
That is why it's called correction center. Is working? Yes, it is called correction. Thank you, Prabhu. It is called correction center only because it has. What do? We want to correct people. भगवान ने ऐसे नहीं बोला है कि अच्छा तूने गलती. कई लोग बोलते हैं. There's so many people they say your God is sitting up there with the stick in his hand. अब गलती करें ये ले, अब गलती करें ये ले. That's not what he is there for. So this place is called prison because एक तो प्रिजन छोटा होता है, ज्यादातर पॉपुलेशन प्रिजन के अंदर है कि बाहर है? अभी हमारे में बाहर है. इसी तरीके से स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड इज आउटसाइड, मटेरियल वर्ल्ड इज वेरी स्मॉल, और हम लोग उसमें हैं, प्रिजनर्स हैं. लेकिन प्रिजन का मकसद खराब हो जाता है. देयर इज नो पर्पस ऑफ प्रिजन इफ देयर इज नो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. What is the need of the prison house? To give a chance for lawbreaker. For example, somebody has killed someone, you lock them up, you reform yourself, and then you prove that you're okay to come back into the main field, then you can go outside. Huh? Similarly, us, we want, somebody was telling me, Rajesh, so you're telling me, if I stop doing all nonsense, if I stop drinking, eating onion and garlic, drinking tea, coffee, and all those sort of things, I can see God. I can go back home, back to water right now. So मैंने उसको बोला, no, you won't, because I don't do any of that. I'm still here. I'm still struggling. The reason is, how long does it take? It takes as long as it takes for us to reform. If I can reform, if I can actually become better, if I really actually become better, this is my last lifetime. That's it. I'm going to go back. If I don't get better, guess what? I'll come again. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Same thing. And then last में वही, IIT का एग्जाम देना, फिर वहां पर 2-4 लोगों को गाली देना कि इसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम हो गई है. सेम चीज, exactly same rotation. Because why? I did not get reformed. So whose problem is it?
My problem.
My problem. There is a research I was telling Lucky this thing. There's a research that has happened on longest research, 30-35 years की research है on twins. There's one research which is very famous. This is the twins. One kid, both the kids lost their father when they were really young. Father got killed, murdered by some goon. One person became a very big lawyer in New York, and another one became a criminal and he was in the prison. So they interviewed both of them. They asked them same question. First person they asked them, why did you become a prisoner? Oh, sorry, why did you become a criminal? He says, my father got murdered when I was little, and I decided on that day, no one will be able to do the same thing to me, and I started becoming really fearful, and I was angry at everyone. I started doing in the wrong side. They asked the lawyer, what happened? Why did you become lawyer? He said the same thing. My father got killed when I was little. I realized that all I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure these people who are criminals, they are behind the bars. So I became a lawyer. The motivation point, turning point for both of them was same event, but choice was different. That's called free will. And that is a classic case of free will. How much does it take? So who is responsible? So both the kids have same school, same friends, same family, same house, same facilities. One chose something else, another one chose something else. Why? Because that's their choice. So who's responsible if I don't get reformed? I'm responsible. It's not my father had this issue, my brother had this issue, my family had this issue, because no. It's only me. The material world is like a prison. Prison has punishment, pain, 2 P's and 2 C's. Punishment, pain, change of clothes and chains. And do you know who is the jailer of this prison house? Who is the jailer of this prison house? Yes, but close, but there is another name for it. Durga Ma, very nice. Durga Devi is the jailer. She is one of the amazing disciples of Krishna. I mean, she's devotee of Krishna, and she has got the toughest job, thankless job. She's a Maya Devi. कहते हैं माया से बचाओ भगवान, माया से बचाओ. जबकि Maya Devi is there to tell us, hey, whoever is not reformed cannot go back home, back to God. That's her role. Jailer का क्या role होता है? Whoever is not reformed cannot leave the boundary of the jail. That's why it's called Durga. Durga का क्या मतलब होता है? Confinement, किला and prison. So Durga का मतलब होता है jail, the warden. So she's the warden. And so what kind the punishments that we get are, oh, it's 8:36. Should we stop? Okay. We'll talk about the next time. So what was the one thing that I wanted to say? Okay, we'll talk about what are the punishments that we have in this life, but next week. Thank you very much. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Anybody has any questions, any comments, anything anybody wants to share? Yes, can I have one?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु, आपने बोला कि हमारे भगवत में लिखा हुआ है कि anything which is like everything which is not love to God is lust. But then if we can only experience love when we have this body and we have all of these relationships.
So we can only
experience love when we have this body, when we have these relationships. So how do you, like, this is
we can feel love even when without this body, because the love that we are talking about, Bhagwan के लिए जो प्रेम है, that is the pure love. Everything else is lust. The reason is because anything we don't need this body to love. Even lust, for lust we don't need the body. Did you know that? भूत प्रेत होते हैं. What are भूत प्रेत? भूत प्रेत are those souls who are really dissatisfied with their life. Suppose they lost their love of their life, and they are still hungry for that lust. They want to satisfy that lust, so they will haunt those people, kind of stuff, you know. So those people, even when they don't have the body, physical body, they still lust doesn't go away. Same with love. Love is the same thing. Love doesn't go. हमारे पास our love for God is already there. That can never go away because it's eternal, है ना? The only thing is now it's covered. Right now we can't see. For example, radio signals are here, but I'm not connected because I'm not tuned. I don't have a radio to tune myself in there, in that frequency. That's why I can't hear it. It's there. Same as love. Love is there for God, but right now हमारा वो जो tuning है वो खो गया. It's covered up with lots of dust and dirt. जैसे जैसे हम उसको हटाते जाएंगे, we will actually realize how much we love God. Okay.
Thank you. Just एक statement और बनाने हैं. वो when we fall out of love.
When we fall out of love, yeah.
उसके बारे में सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा कि sometimes we love a wrong person. Sometimes people pretend,
yeah,
and then we fall in love. You can't see somebody through.
Oh yeah, you don't know exactly who they are, and we fall in love with a side of it which was not real.
Which they show it to you.
They showed it, but yeah, that wasn't real.
Definitely कोई past है.
Huh? Sorry, what?
Yes. I have a question. Like you were saying.
Next question. There's a question, guys.
I have a question. Like we were there with God earlier, you know, and then we had that envy. The question is like, if a child is there and he's already, you know, getting that bliss and the love from God, then why will he think of, you know, he'll still be enjoying the love, and still we are looking for bliss again.
Yes.
So, really don't understand.
So actually we were not looking for bliss. You know what we were looking for? We were looking for, I know what bliss is from my angle. What bliss is this person getting? Krishna. Because in the spiritual world nobody is talking about me. And no one is sitting across Brijesh Prabhu and listening to Brijesh Prabhu. No one. They are only surrounding who? Krishna and Radharani.
But if I just compare it with children,
yeah,
like we are my father and I have daughter. So the children are always happy when they get love from their parents, you know. They don't think about anything else.
But
okay, how is my father feeling, you know? I want to be there. So I'm just
I'll tell you why.
A bit curious, like,
yes,
if you are already enjoying love, you know, that's the best feeling a person can have.
Yeah.
So how does then even envy come, you know? That's
this guy that I'm talking, it's not envy. Look, what हम envious बोलते हैं ना? We called it envious because anything that we want to do to become God, we call it that's an envy. We don't want to become God, but we want to just feel कि God को कैसा feel हो रहा है. The kids, you know, when our kids say, "Dad, I want to drive the car," they want to see how I'm feeling driving the car. They want to see I'm independent. He wants to, the child I was talking about, year 12, he wanted to live independently. He was really happy in the house. Why did he want to go over there? He wanted to see how my dad has come all the way to Australia independently. He's living independently. Then he got married. I want to face that. I want to learn that. So a curiosity thing. It was not envy. We call it envy because in this term we can't name it anything else.
So we thought the grass is greener on the other
side. That's correct. We didn't even think that. We thought, how would it feel?
How does it feel?
That's it.
That's simple.
And that small thing, Krishna said, look, I have to. That's your free will. You want to enjoy that? You can't enjoy here because here it's just me. And it's only one God. So you can't be God. So go over there, have an illusion that you're Lord.
And that is why God says, okay, now you are here, but once you come back to me, you won't go back because you've already experienced this.
That's correct.
You know what it is.
That's correct.
So,
exactly right.
And how much effort you have put in
to try and do that.
To come
One
back to
small
me.
thing, this is how much you.
Okay, thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Yes, good. That's okay. Just sing it.
नरसिंहदेव भगवान की जय।